If you have the Traxxas telemetry expander installed in your RC vehicle and you want to measure your vehicle's speed, this is what you'll need: the Traxxas 6551 GPS module. Standard telemetry sensors use your module's gear ratio and tyre size to calculate its speed based on RPM. Using the Traxxas 6551 GPS module, the vehicle's speed can be captured and displayed easily and more accurately by using global positioning satellites to deliver precise, real-time speed information via the Traxxas Link app on the TQI radio system, which we've installed in a previous upgrade. And the installation itself could not be easier. Note that you'll need the telemetry expander installed in your vehicle to use the GPS module, something we've installed in a previous upgrade, and with the entire top cover removed, the GPS module sits right inside. That's all there is to it. Once seated, reinstall the top cover. Upon applying power to the vehicle, the module is recognised automatically by the Traxxas Link app, and the speedometer reverts to the GPS speed instead of estimating it based on gearing and motor RPM. Note that when testing, you need to be outside with the vehicle actually travelling, otherwise even though the tyres are moving at speed, the car isn't actually moving, so nothing is going to be displayed. Kind of obvious, but does catch some people out when testing sometimes. With 6 slots still available in the expander, we are free to add temperature and voltage sensors if required, although in the next video we'll take a look at improving overall handling with the Traxxas 6898 sway bar kit, before we take the vehicle outside for a good all-round test.